Welcome back, my friends, to another job lead video. I hope everyone is doing well today. So the big bank company, PNC Bank, has multiple positions open that they're hiring remote work from home right now. These do not require a college degree or a high school degree. And some of them, if you stay with me to the very end, some of them pay very, very well to not require a degree. So let's just jump on in and see what there is. So first up, they are hiring for a virtual customer service representative to work from home, and it says that their competitive advantage in the markets that they serve, and they are all united in delivering the best experience for their customers. So they are very customer focused. This customer service position does offer a $1,000 bonus program, and it says as a full-time virtual work-from-home customer service representative, you'll provide routine service support to PNC customers who initiate contact with the customer care call center, and this may involve any questions regarding products that PNC offers, online directions of how to navigate the website, or information about their actual bank accounts. You'll communicate directly with the customers as well as internal and external service partners to resolve issues, questions, and service requests. Now, some additional requirements for this role. They do make sure that you provide your own workspace, that you have a dedicated workspace in your house that is confidential and includes a door that can be closed for privacy. Now, this is a requirement among a lot of not only bank and financial institutions, but if you are working from home for the healthcare field as well. When you're dealing with people's personal information, such as social security numbers, addresses, medical records, those things, you cannot just have everybody in the world seeing that, because then they become targets for identity theft. So you do have to have a secure location to work where other people are not in and out. So maybe a bedroom that you can close the door in. They do want you to be a multitasker so that you can toggle between many screens and maintain different chat conversations simultaneously. They do require that you provide your own phone line, and it says that it's got to be a dedicated phone line. It can't have call waiting or call forwarding, and they recommend a VoIP phone line. And of course, because you're working from home online, you need to have your own high-speed internet. Now, a little bit about this job. You perform customer service activities and initiate a broad range of products, services, and problem-solving resolutions to customers. You receive, investigate, and respond to customer inquiries regarding products, services, and issues via all channels through which customers are served. So that is phone, email, chat. You will resolve customer inquiries and maintain high level of customer satisfaction. And then you will also have to notate or document your customer interactions in their system. And it just says that they take pride, that they are customer focused, and they like to manage risk. Now, a little bit more about what they're looking for. Someone who can accuracy and attention to detail is important. Someone who is customer focused. Someone who can make decisions and think critically and can have effective communication skills. Now, moving down a little bit for work experience, it says roles at this level typically do not require a university college degree, do not require a high school diploma or a GED. However, they may require related experience or product knowledge, and it says typically less than a year of experience. So pretty much no experience, no degree, you're all good. And so the base salary for this job is listed at $39,940. Moving right along, we have another customer service position, but it is for the CCC department. And it says, as a customer support representative with PNC's Customer Care Center, which is their CCC department, you'll work in a virtual environment. This basically says the same thing. They want you to deliver high-level customer support. This one also does not require a college, university, or degree. However, the base salary on this one, I don't know the difference in a regular customer support with them and then the CCC department, but the base salary on this is anywhere from $26,000 up to $60,000 a year. So this one comes with a $1,000 bonus, but does the cap of the salary is $40,000. This one does not come with the $1,000 bonus, but the salary can be up to $60,000 a year. I don't know about you, but I think I would want the extra $20,000 a year versus the $1,000. So I'm going to have both of these positions linked down below. Apply to both if you would like. Next up, we have a sales representative. Now, I know sales is not everyone's cup of tea, but if you are able to talk friendly to someone and convince them that they need something, then sales normally really pays well, so it might be a career choice that you want to think about. But for PNC, it says, as a sales representative with PNC's Customer Care Center, you'll be based work from home, and that you will perform customer services and sales support activities and initiatives. You'll transition the conversation to present sales opportunities to increase share of wallet to customers and handle inquiries. You'll support a complex, dedicated suite of products, services, and leverages to advance process for external customers. You'll receive, investigate, and respond to customer service and sales inquiries, and you'll refer applicable products and services to customers. So what this might look like is if I call into the bank and I say, I would like to open a new checking account, and you might say, while you're opening a checking account, do you also want to open a savings account or invest in our CD? We offer interest rates. Your money can grow at this. You just try to get people to subscribe to more services than what they actually call in looking for. It's like if you've ever been a waitress or a server in a restaurant, it's that upsell mentality. And so it says, you'll also resolve customer service inquiries and issues, and you'll document, of course, your interactions with the customer in the system. Now, again, they want accuracy to detail, effective communication. Fraud detection and prevention knowledge is important and preferred, but not required. And so they want someone who's really problem solving and who has a knowledge of major products and services in the financial field. And they want someone who is comfortable with selling. Now, again, for work experience, it says roles at this level typically do not require a university, college degree, high school diploma, or GED. And so the base salary for this position is $40,980. Last but not least, we have a business banking inbound sales consultant. So inbound means people are calling you. You are not cold calling, just calling, robocalling, trying to get people to just buy something. Inbound calls is they are actually calling you. They are already seeking out services. And so this is probably why this job pays so well, is it is on the business banking side. Personal banking and personal accounts do not hold as much money or do not have as much money flow through them normally as business accounts. And so their business clients, they probably make a lot more money off of, and so they can pay their employees who handle the business accounts more. So let's just take a look at this. This is a remote work from home position. Now, a little bit about the schedule for this. It's a little bit different than full time. They're looking for someone 11:30 a.m. Eastern time to 8 p.m. Eastern time. That's almost a mix of first shift, second shift, kind of the end of first shift and the beginning of second shift. It's not actually a typical American shift that we work. It says Monday through Friday, working, rotating Saturdays, every other Saturday from 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern time. So at least on the weekends, you are off in time to go to dinner if you live in the Eastern time zone and hang out with your friends. If you live in a different time zone, Mountain Pacific, I don't know what the conversions right off the top of my head for that is. So at least when you work on Saturday, it's daytime and you still have your evenings with your family. Now, the responsibilities for this position are that you are responsible for the acquisition and growth of new business clients and existing clients through direct marketing and branch delivery model. It requires you to expand and retain client relationships and focus on client opportunities by providing ideas and insights based on the understanding of the client's needs and their financial well-being. You want to be able to build an effective internal network with the branch distribution and product partners, and through discovery conversations, you want to be able to identify and implement client solutions. And so again, they want somebody who can address customer needs, handle client relationship management. So you got to kind of be friendly, customer experience management. They want you to focus on customer retention. So anything you can do to please the client to keep them as a business partner. So that is going to require effective communication and great interpersonal relationships and knowledge of customers. They do also want someone who is comfortable, again, with selling. Now with this one, it says roles at this level typically do require a university or college degree with less than 1 year experience, but in lieu of a degree, a comparable combination of education or experience, including military service, will be considered. So this one does not even require a degree if you have experience already in customer service or banking or financial field that is greater than 1 year. And the compensation for this one is anywhere from $37,000 up to $83,000 a year. So for a position to pay $83,000 a year and not require even a high school diploma, as long as you have at least 1 year of experience, is very good. So if you've made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed because I will have more fresh job leads coming your way. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.